Thank you for tuning in this morning to our YouTube channel, Power Gear. We're the maker of the new Falcon forward overdrive reverse gearbox. This is for a niche market out there for those bike engine car enthusiasts who like to build their own bike engine cars but need a reversing solution. There's electric reverse out there solution, and of course you got existing competitors out of Europe, M&R, Westfield Sports Cars, LTD, Nova Racing makes a reverse gearbox, and Quaife. Quaife is big time. They're all over Europe and high-end stuff. But we have a reverse gearbox kind of made based on our customers or potential customers' desire needs. They needed an overdrive solution, which you can't get out of the competitors. And this one's we'll start quick. We'll talk about the reverse gearbox here. We have a sample cutaway of the Falcon. It's made out of 9 layers of carbon fiber Kevlar fabric right here. This makes up the case. It's lightweight. It's very durable. It's made in our own shop. It's cheaper to make than the metal counterpart, metal or aluminum, because I don't have to worry about it getting CNC built or manual bent to worry about the radius right there. We have like a form that's like this profile that we stick it out and we vacuum seal it, and we just make the whole profile. Very lightweight, easy to make, very affordable. We have this 356 aluminum cast right here that's cast into a formation of the bearing housing plates, and we just do a finished machine work on that. Instead of take it down to a local foundry, they cast it, bring it back to the shop. We outsource to get it finished off with the CNC machine to put the bearings, bearing boards in there and everything. But let's look at the box real quick. We have a somewhat finished box right here, as you see, and like I said, right now it weighs approximately about 16 pounds. You put a little bit of oil in there, about a half a pint of oil in there, and you have a complete solution. We have the lever right here. We have the boss. It's made out of 6061 aluminum. This provides a mounting point for the shift lever. Right now it's in reverse. If I turn it counterclockwise or clockwise, the shaft turns counterclockwise. 12 o'clock, it's in overdrive right now. It's great. It's a 1 to 1.25 ratio right there. 30% increase. Fuel efficiency goes up. RPMs go down. Preservation of the engine when you're cruising. So that's what we want. Turn a little further. Take a look. Now we got it in 1-to-1 forward. It's just for normal track application from the transmission, the motorcycle engine, straight to the box to the differential. It's very simple about that. Now on the side right here, I want to show you this. We have an O-ring right here. It's like an O-ring, or it's an oil seal right there for the shaft. OEM product from Suzuki. The two mounting points, and we have a spring plunger pin right here that we can adjust. Turn it in. It adjusts the stiffness of the lever. It means the lever won't jump out of place from forward to reverse or reverse to overdrive. It stays right into place. So you can see how that works. It's right there. Overdrive. On the top, we have one of an oil drain, an oil filler, breather hole right there. You can just put your screw in there, your oil bolt screw. And on the bottom, we have a drain there. This is fused into the carbon fiber. This is a 6061 threaded type bung right there that you can put in any application, O2 sensor. Okay, let's look closely at the box. We have this hardened type rad steel shaft right here. We have a long lag Allen type bolt. It's a socket cap screw bolt that goes through the shaft. It ties the two, binds the two plates together, binds in the actual cover. Okay, we got four in the corners, and we have one in the center shaft. So this is going to give it some stiffness. It's going to protect it from the torsion type forces and things, the radial loads you may experience in the box. So we have 4 plus 1 in the center. It's going to make sure the bike stays tight, and it's going to act as a standoff, so you don't crush or over tighten the box up, as you see on the sides there. So you got 1 there, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1 in the center on this side. Okay, it's going to keep it tight. Okay. Now as we turn the box right now, if you look at it, I'm turning the box right now with my hand. I got this counter sprocket. You can tell that the gears are turning counter-rotating. You got the output gear, or input, output, turning opposite direction. That's our reverse gearbox in effort right there. Okay, so I'm going to twist this real quick. We can get that tweak. tweaked it. Okay. Now we have it in overdrive. As you can tell, the dog right here, the output dog and the input dog are spinning in the same direction, but the output dog is spinning a little bit faster. That means we're in overdrive. That's the 1 to 1.25 overdrive right there. Okay? And we slide it forward. Now it's in a 1-to-1 gear. The dog's engaged. It's turning 1-to-1. And that's pretty much about it. You have some mounting points right there. They're like 16th threaded attached there, 16 pitch thread. You got 8 of these. That way you can put it in a frame, a makeshift type of cage to put the box in. It's going to secure it in the drive shaft tunnel. And finally, you just recommend that you want to use a TRT or a torque resilient type of drive shaft, prop shaft. That's going to take all the clanky clank experience out of it that everyone experiences with bike engine powered cars. You know, it kind of low RPM, it kind of jumps like that. Well, that's because, you know, you may have a little backlash in the transmission of the motorcycle, and there may be a little backlash in the box itself, but use that resilient torque tubing prop shaft. That's going to eliminate 90% of that problem. So you're going to have a smooth takeoff at low RPMs. It's going to be a really pleasant experience. So I thank you so much for taking the opportunity to talk about and look into the discovery of the Falcon Gearbox, and we hope to deliver this product to you sometime by the end of the summertime. Thank you very much.